In this video, you'll see how to change the oil in a Honda GX series, performed on a GX 390, but it should be similar for other models. You'll need a rag, recommended to have some gloves handy, and for tools, a ratchet with a 12 mil, and it doesn't hurt to have a knuckle and a little extender handy. Oil drain pan, a funnel with a lip. If you don't have one with the lip, it'll still work, but it's just a little more fussy. And oil. 10W30 is recommended for general use. If you're using the engine in freezing temperatures, 5W30 is better. Refer to this Honda chart. First, make sure the engine is level and the oil is not hot. Warm oil is preferable as it will flow and drain better. Locate the dipstick and drain plugs. There is one of each on both sides of the engine, but you'll only use one side, so pick the most conveniently located one. Move an oil drain pan below the drain plug and position it as close as possible. You'll notice in this situation that there's not a clear path from the drain plug to the drain pan, which makes it messy. A good long-term solution is an oil drain extension or hose. Google search Honda small engine oil drain extension. But since you first need to drain the oil to install it, my short-term solution is to create a channel with caulk to direct the flow. Make the walls high. These prove not to be tall enough. To drain the oil, use a 12 mm socket to remove the drain plug. Remove the dipstick to allow air in and speed up the draining. Once it's fully drained, time to replace the plug. If you're adding an oil drain extension, now's the time to install it. To avoid cross-threading, always start threading the plug by hand, then tighten to snug. No need to over-tighten. To refill, it helps to have a funnel with a narrow end and a lip to pour on. Other funnels will work too, but they're more fussy. Generally, the GX series motors will take a bit more than 1 liter of oil, but check your owner's manual. The maximum fill level is the last thread before overflow. To help gauge your progress, keep an eye on the threads, or by shining a flashlight and looking down the funnel. Once full, hand thread and tighten the dipstick. Start it up, check for leaks, and good to go. Last but not least, always recycle the used oil at your local recycling facility which accepts motor oil. Google search disposed used motor oil near me. I hope that was helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. Need a new switch on your small engine? Check out this video. Thanks for watching.